Hello everyone, welcome to today's vlog. It's Monday the 27th of April. It's me and it is David because Matthew's been on holiday. He's coming back today, so he'll be back to work tomorrow. Hey, see how he handles getting back to that. What have we got? We've got 16 cleans. We've got one clean in my village and then we're close by to where I live, which is Levington, and we're around that area. So follow along, see how we get on. The sun is out, weather's good. And hopefully that's going to be the case for the rest of the week. Follow along and see how we get on. Right, this is where we do 3 properties. They're all close to each other. However, just between 2 properties, there is 16 Velux windows. You saw me cleaning some of them. And I need my 35-foot pole to reach a couple of them as well. So they hurt the old arms. And it's a bit hard. I've got the customer trying to speak to me, but I'm trying to keep an eye on David to see what he can do and what he can't do. So it kind of went pear-shaped. However, David's done all right. He's done 4 Velux windows in this property. I'm letting him do this one with the Juliet balcony. I did say I'd do it for him, but the reason why I'm doing that is on the second property I did, to get around the back, it was all locked, so I had to use my ladder to get up and over, and it makes it really hard with the hose to get all the way around the back. And to come back as well, it's getting tied up in knots and all sorts of things. So I wanted to pack that way and get the ladders done. So after this, we're going to go home and we're going to have a lunch, and I'm really hungry. That's it, that's me and David done for the day. All 16 cleans done. You probably tell it was a mixture of cleans between big houses, normal sized houses and bungalows. So yeah, all in all, good day done. Matthew's coming back tonight from holiday, so Matthew will be back on the windows with me. So if you followed along, thank you very much for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, it helps me out big time. And I'll see you on the next video.